Mrs. Paul zong kan nan hot tika hot le a hauja kan du sa te in kan hol ko kai zom u ti in kan when in nultan hakadu. We will also have a translator from Burmese to Chin in English and from English to Chin. And so please, when you are answering, we encourage you to slow down when you're answering. Thank you so much. Hikahin akal rilo mikajo noise cancellation ka headphone ka nabun la e mata kan salai translator okay. Okay. Team Khan and ready go there. Sisa. Okay. Mr. A Bia He Gandumin Hacho, Miss Zotong, you will be contestant number 1. Would you like for me to read the question in English or in English? Okay. Miss Zotong ni marang ho inakale rakare biak cha kati cha kan marang ho ingare lai ti kaban sim ta kadu. Miss Zotong, what is one good feature about Chin youths in Malaysia? What is one thing we can improve on? Your 45 seconds start now.
Thank you for the question. And one good qualities and features in Chin youth in Malaysia is that they value their traditional clothes and their traditional culture and ancestral heritage. And most of them come to Malaysia because of the conflicts of our country. And they work very hard for their communities and their family. And I believe that they are also very respectful and active, like churches and communities activities. And one thing that we can improve on is that unity and platform. Because sometimes misunderstanding, jealousies can be the weakness of the community. And that's why our Chin Youth Malaysia should be more focused on leadership skills and education, communication, and lastly, becoming the positive role in the next generation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Zotong. You may go ahead and change. All right. Next up is Miss Mizo. Would you like the question to be read in English or Hakachin? Okay, Hakachin it is. Miss Mizo, Malaysia i chimino kan chat nak pakati zeda asi kan chancho ko nak ding pakat.
Okay, behal nak chunga lumlom nak tampi kangai Malaysia ummi kan chimino i kan chat nak tia karuat mi jo kan ni lai mi jo koram kan umlong kan nak umlewa si se laurian atron mi kan si rian fak atron mi kan si bantukin mitay mami mi phunjong kan si bantukin hika Malaysia kan rak phantik zonga si se kan tai ma rian tron lai in zaim han social ding umlo in kan fel ma hi kan lai mi phuni Malaysia a ummi kan that nak asi tia karwai kan improve nak ding pakhat tia karwa mi jo hika Malaysia hin laungan akhui hitam pi o umcha a nu lein asia chun tin tua mo sam tua mo tibantuk pa lei asia chun waya lei mo air kun tua lei mo makha kan mani kan thiam mi le kan du mi pakhat te kha I thim in ma pakhat te kha focus in mai lei chan a si se boy pani akan dot I ram thum nak le kan phan kho tik zonga si se kan ram le kan kir than tik zonga si se ma kan thiam mi pakhat kan focus mi kha professional te in kan thiam a chun khika kan phak tik zonga si se business kan tua kholai kan pochom nak khin kan hu kholai ti mi hi o he khovela hianin eng har sanama hi kan tumru na ai alian lo ti kha ka soidu ani kolome.
Thank you so much. All right, Miss Mie, would you like the question to be read in English or Hakachin? English, Sisa. What is one good feature about Chin youths in Malaysia? What is one thing we can improve on?
Thank you for your question. One thing that I really appreciate the future of our Chin youth in Malaysia is how remarkably is how remarkably resilient they are. We live in a foreign land as an illegal, where opportunities seem scarce, where our path to education and employment is filled with obstacles. Yet every day we choose to keep moving forward, fueled by our hope and unyielding belief in our potential. We refuse to be defined by our circumstances. So that's why I also want to encourage my fellow youth who's here today to see this place as more than a temporary place to stay. Instead, we should take this as an opportunity to learn new skills and support our people. So if we learn these new skills, whether we ended up in a third country or return back home, we should harness these skills to help support our people and contribute in our nation's growth. Together, we can all make a difference for our motherland. Thank you.
Thank you. Miss Han Lang Bang, nang he lai ho ima question kahal na dula ta marang ho in lai ho in sa sia chun Miss Han Lang Bang. Malaysia I chin meno kan chat na pakat hu zai da asi kan chan chau kho na pakat
Malaysia ummi laimia kan thang chau tia krua mi chu mazaza her ramsat laka miram danga vanrat na ko na te in kama kan thil thuam si se kan cha si se kan aidin por si se kan culture shim mi tha ti in kan fa le te he lesson kan khom hi atha tuk mi si tin karuat mi he kan thang chau nak si tia lai mi ni chun karuat I chun kan thang chau a her tia growth mi chu la khun a chu silong chin I khun a ti men to ki semen to kin kama hi hauda kan si ti kha phil in pakhat lungrol te in Malaysia hin khwa kan sa tia chun manak nge achang chang mi community pakhat kan dir khola ti in kasum kalom
lunglom nak tam digin ngai Miss Aquaria kol ho inte
May kunka Malaysia ma Thai ne jade chin lu nge du ye kaung won de twin pin lekhna yet takhu ka ba le chano du tu ta phu lu de a chat takhu so yin ba phit ma le
Malaysia ma ne thai tu lu nge de ye kaung won de a chu kaung won de twin pin lekhna ha so yinလူမျိုးနဲ့ယဉ်ကျေးမှုကိုဖော်ပြလာနေတာဖြစ်ပါတယ်။တယောက်ကိုတယောက်ပေနေရရောက်ရောက်ယဉ်ကျေးမှုနဲ့လူမျိုးကိုမမေ့ပဲတယောက်ကိုတယောက်အကူအညီပံ့ပိုးခြင်းစိတ်ထားရှိလို့ပါ။ဒီလိုစိတ်ထားရှိခြင်းကကျမတို့လူမျိုးရဲ့အင်အားတစ်ခုလို့ကျမမြင်ပါတယ်။ဒါပေမဲ့တိုးတက်ပြောင်းလဲတဲ့နေလို့ထင်တဲ့အရာကမလေးရှားမှာနေထိုင်မှုအခြေအနေအရပတ်ဝန်းကျင်နဲ့လေလွတ်ညီထွေစွာနေထိုင်တတ်ဖို့စီကံပိုင်းဆိုင်ရာလိုအပ်ချက်တွေမှာလည်းအလေးထားတတ်ဖို့နဲ့တယောက်နဲ့တယောက်ကြားမှာလည်းပုံမကောင်းမလာတဲ့စီလိုငြိမ်ဝဲမှုတွေလှုပ်ဆောင်တင်လို့ချင်ပါတယ်။ဘာလို့လဲဆိုရင်တော့ဒီလိုတိုးတက်မှုကပဲကိုယ်တိုင်ရောအနာဂတ်အတွက်ပါပုံမကောင်းမလာတဲ့အခြေအနေတစ်ခုကိုတိစောက်ပေးနိုင်လို့ဖြစ်ပါတယ်။ကြည့်ဦးအများကြီးတင်ပါတယ်ရှင်။